This is how you use the oval guide. All right, so you're going to want to start with your center line. So to do that, you kind of want to approximate where the middle is and then get down your measurement. 57.2 centimeters. It's also going to be helpful to mark the midpoint, and that's where you can sort of start your other width measurement. So now that we have the center lines drawn, we're going to start to get our angles. So the angles that we have for the lines are 5, 15, 30, 45, 60. So you're going to go from your 5 degrees. It doesn't matter how long it is. And make sure that it passes through on either side, because it's going to save you a step when you repeat these angle measurements for each quadrant. So you get the line from here, so you get it for this back corner as well. And then just keep going. Doesn't matter how long the line is, just follow it through the whole way. So now we got your 30. 45, here's 60. The next step is to now mark down the length corresponding to your angle. And you can find that on the drawing. It's these measurements. So that's what you're going to be marking down right now. And now you want to move to the 5 degree mark, 49.6. So these are the lines that you're trying to get. You want them at the shown length corresponding to their angles. You got 60, 45, 30, 15, 5, 0. And now what you want to do is repeat this in every other corner. So now what you want to do when you've gotten all your measurements for each of your angles, you're going to want to approximate the shape of the oval based on those marks. My advice for this would be just do it a bunch of times until it starts to look like the line that you want to get, and then just keep it going, take it slow. Now you can see the shape of the oval, all based on the lines that we drew and the approximate pencil line that we did, and you're going to want to cut it out now. And if you want, at the end, you can sand it down and shape it a little bit more to make it more round in some areas. This is basically it, and the next step now is to cut it out. You can already see like there's some spots that aren't super perfect, but sandpaper or any kind of sanding tool you have is going to help with that. But yeah, this is your oval. And